Now that we have the sketch of the side of the exoskeleton, we can start to create the 3D object. As we can see, the exoskeleton contains two parts. The part that will sustain the forearm, which is this part of the arm, and the part that will sustain the upper arm, which is this part of the arm. So, from this sketch, we'll need to extrude two objects. We'll use this part of the sketch to extrude the upper arm, and we will use this part of the sketch to extrude the forearm. But before this, I said that we are gonna use the front canvas to extrude the sketch. In order to do this, I need to move a little bit the canvas by going to Edit Canvas and move it where the sketch is starting. So when I will do the extrusion, I can start from this point and go in the direction of the canvas. I'm clicking OK, and now I am ready to start extruding. Let's start with the forearm. I'll go to click the Extrude button. I'll select the body, and now I can go the dimension that I need. Well, I have 90 centimeters is the right direction, and I can click OK. As you can see, I'm guided by the front canvas as well to see if the dimension is well. Okay, let's do the same thing with the upper arm part, and I need again to show the sketch, and I'll click Extrude, and I'll go, let's go to the canvas, 4 centimeters. So I need to add, okay. And now, if I'm clicking on the Home button, I can see that I have the two pieces that I need to start my exoskeleton. I can hide the canvases, and now I can see them properly. I can hide the sketch as well, and I can see, yeah, that I have the two pieces that I need for my exoskeleton. What did I miss? I missed to properly name the bodies. I will name this forearm, and I will name this upper arm. Okay. Now, because I will have a lot of components on the upper arm and on the forearm, I want those two to be components, no bodies. But we will discuss about this in the next lessons when we'll do the joints. Now, after I did the 3D model using parametric modeling, because I extruded from a sketch, I can use direct editing to add some touches on my model. I want all the edges to be a little bit different, and I will add a chamfer on them. I will select all the edges that I want to add a chamfer, and I will add a value for that. I'll do the same thing with the upper arm. I will select all the edges that I want to add this detail, and I'm going again to chamfer, and I will select the value, and I will click OK. Now I can see that I have some details on my exoskeleton parts. Those things then be changed at any time in the model, but as you can see, they have been added to the history timeline because they are part of direct modeling, and everything that I want to change, for example, if I don't like anymore this detail, I can go into history and I click delete, and it is gone forever. And then I can add another detail. But I want this detail to exist, so I can click back, and now I will save extrude side sketch and add chamfer. And the next thing is to add the hardware components, so I can put holes for placing them.